Hello friends, I welcome all the participants in this small tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create communities, how to create sub-communities, and how to add collection to those communities. First, we have to go and log in. Here is one option that is sign on to. So go to that option, go to my DSpace, put your email ID or login ID here. So I'm putting my email. Okay, I'm there already there. So I will enter the password here. Whatever password is there, you enter the password. So don't forget password. You have to put it, write it down the password properly. Okay, and log in. Go to browse option, communities and collection. We already made some communities, but again I'll tell you how to create top level community. Here is one option, create top level community. We have already some communities, but again I am showing you how to create a top level community. See, I am creating a community, top level community, commerce and management. See, if I want to put under this community, I have to put any short description of it, I can put it down. See, I made a commerce and management. Okay. So I will say create. So one top level community created. Under this community, I have to again create a community. I can call it as a sub community. I have to create a two sub community under this. I am creating first is commerce. I will create. So I have created commerce community, sub community under commerce and management. See, this is the sub community under commerce and management. You can see here a sub community down. Again, I am creating another sub community, that is management. Or management science. If I want to add description, I can add, then I'm going down and say create. So I created a sub community that is management science. Now you can see the two sub communities, that is commerce and management science under commerce and management. Okay. So now two communities I have created. Now under the commerce, I have to create a different sub community under commerce. First one, I will create one sub community. Okay. So I'll first create undergraduate here. I will create undergraduate community. Okay, under commerce, undergraduate. Then second one I am creating commerce, undergraduate. Again I am creating sub community, that is postgraduate. Okay, so I have created a postgraduate. So create. Now you can see I have created a postgraduate sub community. Under commerce you can see a postgraduate and undergraduate. These are two communities I have created under commerce. Okay. Then again in undergraduate section, I will create sub communities. In undergraduate, I will see again there is a FY BCom or BCom, BBA, BCA, or BBA computer application, BBM international business, all those are there under commerce. So I will see a BCom. I will first creating subcommunity, that is BCom, and I have created the BCom. Okay, so undergraduate BCom. Okay, so go to subcommunity again. I am creating a BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. You can give description. You can give any description down. Okay, so again I am creating another one, that is undergraduate section. Create subcommunities. I am again, for example, BBA computer application. Okay, in bracket computer application. I have created a BBA computer application here. Then I will say create. Now I have created undergraduate section, BBA computer application and BCom. These sub-communities I have created. Now under BCom, I have to create sub-communities again. But because there are so many classes under BCom, there's first year BCom, second year BCom, third year BCom. So I'm creating first year BCom, that is FY BCom. Like this. Okay, so I have created create. So I have created FY BCom. Okay, under BCom again, under BCom again I am creating subcommunity, that is SY BCom, second year BCom. Okay, so SY BCom, create. Again I am creating subcommunity TY BCom, because this is the 3 year. So TY BCom, third year BCom, because this is a 3-year course. Okay, now I have created FY BCom, SY BCom, TY BCom under BCom. Now under first year BCom, now here is a semester pattern. So under FY BCom, I will again create a subcommunity according to the semester. So under the FY BCom, I'm creating semester wise. Create subcommunity, semester 1. Semester 2. Okay, I have created create. Under FY BCom, now semester 1, semester 2, the two subcommunities I have created. Under this semester 1, I will create a collection now. Any subject collection I can create under semester 1. How many subjects are there for semester 1? So I will put all the collection, I will create all the collection under semester 1. Okay, all the subject collection under semester 1. So I'll go to a create collection now, not community. I'll go create collection. Now there is separate option. So we can learn a create collection in next session.